Okay, Google, stop.
You see that picture of your body from before. Don't wanna love yourself anymore. If you met your younger self, you say, pick a new figure up from the shelf, babe. 'Cause nobody wants to see you like that. Nobody's gonna hit you up back. That's what they say. You know, that's what they say. She hates it, looks
Good morning, Brunei. Welcome back to Pelangi FM 91.4 and 91.0 FM. I hope you're having a good morning, whether you're waking up or actually going back to sleep, but it's okay. You're here with me, Bash Harry. Today is the 15th Rabiul Awal 1443 Hijra, corresponding to the 22nd of October 2021. I know it's usually Zul F or Rain here on the seat, but today you've got me playing all the best songs right here on the number one station in town. It is currently 6:15 a.m. We are early birds right here, and later on you will hear the news at 7 a.m. and right afterwards we've got our Get to Know ASEAN quiz. Yes, our Get to Know ASEAN quiz, and stand a chance to win yourself a prize courtesy of the Department of Information. So hold on to that. But for now, let us get started with our day with Coldplay featuring BTS with My Universe.
Holds in the places shame hits. Wishing that she was, she hates it. Looks in the mirror, reshapes it, blames it.
Ariana Grande with Positions. Guys, it is currently 8:26 a.m. and we've got Melanie Martinez right on cue right after this. But I just want to pop in and say I hope you guys are doing well. I know some of us are staying at home. We feel a little mental, but it is okay. A lot of us are going through this panorama together. But to those who are still working, who are still going out and are essential workers, please know that we are so grateful to have you working hard. And please, everybody, get vaccinated. I'll share a few updates in just a bit regarding the latest updates of COVID-19. But for now, as I said, we've got Melanie Martinez and her song, Playdate. Hope you guys enjoy. The problem with talking with a mask on, especially as a DJ, is that I spit so much and I can feel my own breath. Ugh. I am expecting some things to come today, which I'm very excited about, but I'm worried that the weather might hinder some of the arrivals of the goods. I don't know. I've realized ever since COVID and the pandemic, I have been spending a lot of money because a lot of the time, the money that I would have been spending on food and other things, I cannot. So I end up paying just a whole lot of money on other things that I want but would not necessarily purchase on an every other regular day. So I don't think it's particularly healthy. I say that all the time with many things in my life, but very rarely have I stopped until forced upon me, which, knowing me, will be much sooner than later.
After all these years, you asked me back down.
You can see my roots. Oof. I don't think my roots have been shown this length in years. And if I cut it where the roots grow, I will have the same haircut as I did back in 2016. I've done my makeup. I am waiting for a yarn order and a shelf order because I am filling the void in my stomach with stuff that I can tangibly hold. That's the plan. But first, I didn't do makeup for no reason. I don't have to, but I'm going to film my Zalora haul because I'm going to alter it because I don't particularly like any of it. There's a few problems here and there, and so when that video comes out, hopefully within the next 2-3 weeks, then I can explain why I don't like it. But you'll just see like the behind the scenes of it all. And then afterwards, I'm hoping that I can sew up my new knitting pouch, so I could put all of my needles there, which would be so great instead of using jars like I've been doing for years now. So it's just good in the long run, I guess. Gotta change, gotta start filming, but I also gotta set up, so we're gonna do that real quick.
My love is wasted, left me addicted. You took the part away from me, let me down, colored in blood.
Once the video is done, I gotta clean everything up.
Forget the feeling, say my heart to stop and listen now. I feel to use and I'm now that you are gone. I'm done crying day and I for both of us, and I say go on.
Taking photos of my new crochet top. I haven't done. This is my sister. You've seen her before.
The better one.
Okay, taking photos before this daylight goes away. I am gonna take it easy tonight because I'm very tired from waking up at 4 in the morning. And I have to do that again because I'm working twice. Tomorrow I have like 2 shows tomorrow, one at 6 a.m. and the other one at 3, so I need to get as much rest as possible. But nevertheless, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy. If you like it, please do like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that usual stuff, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week or the week after. I don't know. Okay, bye.
And I can't get you